You ever wonder why we wear snake boots when we're out jeeping? Well, in Florida, we just saw a snake. This is Florida, and this is why we wear snake boots. Because in Florida, we have several species of poisonous snakes. And the last thing you want to do is jump out of your Jeep and end up stepping on a cottonmouth. Small game season is closed on Sunday, so all of the small trails for small game season are now closed, including trail number 3, which is one of my favorite trails out here locally. So we're just going to cruise down the main roads and see if we can find some snakes. This is one of the many species of snakes that we have in Central Florida that are venomous. It's cottonmouth. Some of the things that you can notice about it that are pretty distinct is, one, the real predominant white markings on its face. It's got a horizontal line that runs from its nostril across the pit and out behind the back of the eye. That vertical line is darker brown and it's trimmed by 2 white stripes. It's not too old. These things can get pretty big and their bite can be pretty nasty. A lot of people confuse banded water snakes with cottonmouths, but this is a cottonmouth. A couple things that are really distinct also about it is the defensive posture. When it's threatened, you see how it's lifting up? When it's threatened, it's going to let you know. The top of the head is flat. It has pits that detect heat, so it can direct its strike even when it can't see. Cottonmouth, very common in Central Florida. Huffman is a very easy ride. Stock friendly. You could even do this in a car. That's how stock friendly it is. Sometimes during rainy season there's a few puddles here and there. During small game season, the small game trails are open. And right now we came out, we saw the graveyard, we went out to Billy Lake. We're going fishing out here looking for snakes. Only found a couple.